Next up, judges, we're going to be jumping back from an elite junior lyrical solo division. We have act number 336. This is Feed the Birds.
Each day to the steps of St. Paul, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come, buy my bags full of crumbs. Come, feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.
That was act number 330.